That's right, Amy Pattison lost 70 pounds in her 50s and then dedicated herself to help others do the same with over 100,000 Instagram followers and many, many more on YouTube and TikTok and Facebook. She allows her followers to learn from her what she's gone through, what she's done. She shares recipes. A lot of them for her high protein and low carb delicious foods go completely viral, including protein pancakes, Amy.
Protein pancakes are probably the most popular on my page. People are asking always for the recipe, and I keep refining it, but I've got it down to just 2 ingredients, super simple, and the best way to start your day.
Okay, 2 high protein ingredients.
Correct.
Is what I'm guessing. All right, so let's hear it.
Okay, so we're gonna just do 2 whole eggs.
Okay.
Or you can do 6 tablespoons of egg whites. Either one is good, great protein.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do a scoop of protein powder, so that's it.
That's it?
That's it for one serving of protein. You're gonna get 25 grams of protein.
Eggs and protein powder and nothing else.
Eggs and protein powder, and that is correct. Now I have done it, got a little shell in here. I have done it with like baking soda and other things, but you just don't need it.
I thought we were going to be doing like cottage cheese and
we are.
Okay.
Now I have added cottage cheese in the mix before, but I actually just like it as a topping now because it keeps me from, you don't have a need for a syrup or butter. You put the cottage cheese on top.
Oh, okay, all right.
It's delicious. So we're just gonna do our 2 eggs, a scoop of protein powder, and I like to whisk it with a fork.
Okay, so we're gonna get that all whisked up.
We're gonna get that all whisked
up. And now
up.
I'm not a great pancake person as far as making them. My husband can do it perfectly. They always look exactly like they came from a restaurant.
Yeah.
What's the secret to that?
Okay, I will tell you the secret is practice. Practice, because my first few protein pancakes were ugly, and my clients and my followers will always say, mine don't look like yours, but I practiced. The key is really a low heat.
Oh, okay.
We tend to want to make our batter and then really rush the pancake process, like getting them done. But you just got to take a few minutes and be patient and let it just do its thing.
Okay, and we have this on a pretty high heat right now. Would you like to bring it down?
We'll bring it down.
We did that. Just let me see if I can do this. I'm going to put it down to a 4. Let's see if that works. And then one of the things that you are really good at is making something that people get in their mindset isn't going to be that good. And then you turn it into like a feast for the eyes.
Yes. A feast for the eyes, but also the stomach because it's so delicious.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why are we so interested in making sure breakfast is such an important piece of this protein?
Okay. Because when you start off your day with just being poured all in there.
Pour it all in there. Okay, here we go.
When you start off your day with protein, you're setting yourself up for success because then you're not going to have sugar cravings and a sugar crash and all the things that come with carbohydrates. Typically, traditional breakfast, especially here in our country, is waffles and pancakes and breads and pastries and things like that. That's all setting you up for that crash that's going to come later in the afternoon where you just feel like you're low energy and you're starving. If you set yourself up with a protein breakfast, you'll set yourself up for success the rest of the day when it comes to fat loss. Okay, so now with 1 minute to go in this segment, we're going to show the after, but then we're also going to come back and flip these. Okay, so what you've done here is you have used the cottage cheese. I have.
You've also brought Greek yogurt in case you prefer that.
If you don't like cottage cheese, you could do a Greek yogurt. And then I like to do frozen berries, and you just thaw them out, let them sit out for a little bit. And then you need no syrup at all. So you now have a high protein, 0 added sugar, too few carbs to count, perfect breakfast. Too few carbs to count. Many, many ways for you to reach out to Amy or just follow her silently. And that is on her Instagram, on her Facebook, on her YouTube. We'll make sure you can find all of those things on rivercitylivetv.com. I was hoping you were about to offer me a fork. There we go.
Here we go. Okay.
Now, do they taste like IHOP pancakes? Probably not.
No.
But it gives you that carby feeling without the carbs.
Oh, they're just as delicious. And what I'm tasting here, and boy, am I brave wearing white and eating raspberries.
Very brave.
But what I'm tasting is the cream from the cottage cheese, the base is the pancakes, and delicious raspberries. You can't go wrong with this recipe. Amy, thank you for always sharing that with us.